see.
That's all right.
Excuse me, who's this gentleman right here?
Excuse me?
Who are you?
Yeah, right.
Excuse me. Thank you.
Mr. Mayor, do you agree the judge denied
I disagree.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I disagree.
Well, I understand that. All right, so you also filed a motion to strike the plea.
I think that's
Well,
referring to the not guilty plea that was entered, Judge.
Oh.
Well, I never entered a plea. For the record, I never entered a plea. I never entered anything.
Guilty or not guilty, no contest.
Well, I told you I have every intention of pleading guilty here today. It's just, the clarification was, do I have the right to a fair, meaningful hearing today?
You have the right to a fair hearing.
So not a
But
meaningful?
your motion to strike the plea is denied because, as I recall, the last time we were here, you wouldn't enter a plea. You weren't entering a plea.
I had every intention in it.
You can change your plea now if you want.
I have a full intention of doing it. So was that a yes or no to the fair and meaningful? You just said yes to a fair. You didn't say meaningful. So do I have the right to be? I'm not playing any games. I'm not playing any games. Do I have the right to be informed of the cause and nature of the charges and accusations against me here today, like it says in the Bill of Rights?
Get a copy of the indictment?
Sure did.
You didn't notify, that's.
Are you suggesting for the record that being given a copy of the allegations satisfies being informed of the cause and nature of the charges and accusations against me here today?
Sure it does.
You're saying yes for the record? Am I presumed innocent here today?
That's why every plea is not guilty.
Am I presumed innocent of every element of the charges against me here today?
Or every element, every one.
And is jurisdiction one of those elements that I was presumed innocent of?
Yeah, you're claiming that you were arrested in Navajo County?
I'm not claiming anything. That was a yes or no. Is jurisdiction one of the elements that you just presume me innocent of? And has the prosecution brought forth any factual evidence regarding the element of jurisdiction as of today?
Do that at the jury trial.
So are you saying, yeah, I'm aware that it's an issue for jury, but is it not an issue as of today? Is jurisdiction not an issue of today?
There's no motion on that today.
I'm not saying there's a motion. Has the prosecution handed over a document to the court proving factual evidence as an element of jurisdiction as of today?
Mr. Ramirez, jurisdiction is something that is an element of the charges that the state is required to prove. Receiving indictment,
And you just said I was presumed innocent of jurisdiction.
in the county.
Okay, so has he provided any factual evidence regarding the element of jurisdiction as of today?
Actual evidence is provided in the trial.
So I know it's needed at trial, but is it not an issue as of today? It's not an issue. Jurisdiction is not an issue as of today. Is that what you're claiming for the record? Would the state of commission on judicial conduct agree with that?
I don't know.
Well, I'm asking would they agree with that.
I'm sure they agree with
So just to be clear, the prosecution has not provided any factual evidence regarding the element of jurisdiction as of today?
you. Yeah, well, the factual basis is something that they would establish at trial. In every jury trial, they have to establish that the offense occurred in the jurisdiction of this court.
Great. Can I have a copy of where it says that exactly? I haven't seen a copy of that,
What?
of what you just stated. You said that that's the factual evidence, correct?
Well, they made an allegation. The indictment says, on or about May 15, 2019, in Navajo County, Arizona, Mr. Martinez Ramirez only transported our narcotic drugs for sale. So they've alleged that if he did this and it occurred here,
So the allegations themselves is the factual evidence?
it's not evidence. We don't do evidence. We're not doing evidence today. We're doing a pre-trial conference.
So he has not provided any factual evidence regarding the element of jurisdiction as of today?
I've had an opportunity to speak to the defendant. I don't know that we're gonna come to any type of conclusory end before trial, and so it is the state's intention. I don't know if that's possible to do a quick Donald hearing today because, or just set it for trial and set it for Donald hearing. But
prior?
he has no priors, Judge. I think there may be an allegation that it's over the threshold. Let me grab my.
So are you suggesting for the record that the state is not required to provide any evidence regarding the element of jurisdiction as of today?
Have you received the police report?
Was that a yes or no?
Received the police report?
Yes.
So you've got their.
Okay, so.
One other thing that I think needs to be addressed, and I apologize. The defendant made some statements while in the hearing with Judge Clark that he never waived his right to an attorney. I mean, I think that was established on the record last time, but.
Can I see a copy of where that was established? I have yet to see it.
Mr. Ramirez, it was my judgment, as I recall last time, that you refused to either request counsel or to deny counsel.
Objection, I didn't refuse, I declined at the time. There was no need to have counsel at that time.
You keep playing word games.
I'm not playing any games.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
You're trying, I don't know what your basis is for all of this, but
So Judge,
I'm trying to be fair to you, Mr. Ramirez.
And I appreciate that. I appreciate you trying to be fair.
Court questions, and we are.
I'm asking
If you
clarifications.
want to have something, you have issues, you need to file written motions, like a motion to dismiss because the court doesn't have jurisdiction. That's what you have to file. You get a copy of Mr. Nichols.
It's already been established that jurisdiction can be challenged at any time, and I'm doing it here
No, you have to
verbally.
do it right. If you wanna have a hearing, I'm not gonna answer your questions today, because the state is entitled to notice. If you're gonna claim there's no jurisdiction, file a motion.
Okay, so just to be clear, you said the state does not have to turn in any factual evidence regarding the element of jurisdiction as of today, correct?
Not today.
And upon what factual evidence do you rely on to form that conclusion, or is that just an opinion?
All right, Mr. Ramirez, I'm not answering any more questions.
I'm not asking any questions, those are clarifications.
Judge, it's the state's intention
All
to
right.
set up for trial today.
Mr. Ramirez, I'm gonna set your case for trial.
I object to that.
Your trial will be scheduled on.
I want to let you know that as soon as I leave here, I will be filing an immediate document to the State of Commission on Judicial Conduct, and I'm making a formal announcement that I want a copy of all the audio, of all the written transcripts, the entire proceedings as they've transpired up to this point.
The order has to transfer, you can get them from her, but you will have to pay for them.
It's fine.
She does.
The allegation is that the amount of THC cartridges they had were valued at more than $1,000 and therefore over the threshold. She doesn't have any priors, but it would be over the threshold.
Objection, point of clarification, we're not at the merits of that. We're not there yet. I'm not interrupting.
You interrupt almost every time I open my mouth.
I disagree, I'm not
I'm trying
interrupting.
to be patient with you, but now, would you just let me speak for a minute? I'm gonna give you some information, we're gonna have a dollar here. I'm gonna give you some information. If you proceed to trial and you're convicted, you will go to prison. Between 1 and 3.75 years, the presumption is 2.5. You can't get probation if the state proves that the amount of drugs that you had was over the threshold.
I apologize, this is a class 2. We had 4.7.
Oh, it's class 2, oh, sorry about that. You're basically 3 to 12.5 years in prison. The presumption is 5. Can't get probation, do you understand that?
Well, earlier you said I have the right to a fair, meaningful hearing. Would you?
Understand that if you proceed to trial and you are convicted, you will.
Thank you for the information, I'll make a note of it, but just to be clear, earlier you said,
I just wanna know whether you understand that.
well, thank you for the information, I'll make a note of it, but just to be clear,
Then that's all we're gonna do today, except I'm gonna schedule a jury trial.
I object to that. Earlier you said I'd like to a fair, meaningful hearing today. How is it fair and meaningful when I have to drive 10.5 hours out of my way to come over here when the prosecution, he's failed to file a proper case? He has the time right now, he had the time all up until this point to provide factual evidence regarding the element of jurisdiction, and he's failed to do so. Have you turned anything in, Mr. Prosecutor, as of today? Yes? No? Well, then I hereby motion for all charges to be dismissed, and I'm naturally presume that any unopposed motion will be granted, and I'm naturally presume. Have a nice day.
Jury trial on the 3rd of March. 1st, 9 o'clock.
I object to these entire proceedings as an appealable issue. And I will send this to the State Commission of Judicial Conduct. Objection, I'm not threatening you with anything. Objection, I'm not threatening you with anything. Excuse me. How you doing?
Great.
Good, great. I'm great. Have a good one, man. You have a good one.